I'm about to show you something really mind-blowing from Cooliris. I just got a demo of it, and it's sort of a photo app. It's sort of a sharing of Google Docs and spreadsheets kind of thing, but you got to see it to understand it, and we're going to discover it right now.
I'm Austin Shoemaker, CTO and co-founder of Cooliris. So I got my first computer when I was 7, and ever since I figured out how to turn it on, I kind of became obsessed with the power that it gave you to create something that you could imagine in your mind. We're really excited to show you what we've been working on, a new product called LiveShare that's all about visual communication and enabling people to interact around media in a way that's more natural, and really thinking about the context of the message that you're sending. It's about who's sending it to whom, about what time, but how do you make all of this context automatically apparent? Really, our backend enables us to do things that we couldn't have ever done before. Being able to have a completely real-time database allows us to create a shared space between groups of people across devices. So when I post a photo in one place, it instantly appears everywhere else. And as a UI developer, I love this because I just code against a local model of the data. Network bandwidth is clearly the limiting factor, but we were trying to think, how do we actually get over this limitation? So the way we handle uploads is we stream the content at lower resolution, followed by the high resolution content. So that means when you're taking pictures, as long as you're taking pictures, we can continue to stream the images to everyone else in the group, or if it's a public stream, to everyone else in the world. And then as you hit idle time, you can then load the rest of the high resolution. So that means that you can share the media instantly, start the conversation, start the process of getting people to discover that, and then allow us to synchronize all of the data in the background. So if you want, when you're sending a message, you can geotag it, and that allows other people to see where your message was posted from. So if you wanted to say, hey, let's meet here, you could just drop a pin, and then everybody in the group can see.
Okay. And on my wedding, can I also say, hey, this wedding was at the Half Moon Bay Ritz, for instance? Or?
Exactly. So when you create a stream, you can associate some basic metadata, and that lets you kind of really, you could even actually create a web page for your wedding, and that would be the stream. When we got started, we decided we wanted something that would work everywhere, and so we built a protocol layered on top of HTTP. So even if you're in a firewalled environment with a buffering proxy, we're still going to get our messages through. And we said, hey, in the future, as a next step, we can build a binary protocol that works in a more normal network environment.
Very cool.
But that's just getting more performance out of it. We're already getting most of the performance by being smart with how we handle data flow on the back end and how we handle media transfer on the client side. We're on iOS today and web today, and we're working on Android, and we're hoping that we're going to be able to make the web experience into a first-class application. So we're already leveraging WebGL on the browser to create a fully rich 3D experience for engaging with this content.